What you doing now, Dave?
Nothing.
Why?
I'm recovering.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. What happened?
We had a construction site accident.
And what was that?
I fell down the stairs.
The spiral staircase in the
Spiral
back?
staircase out back.
Let's see your injury here.
Yeah, that's the good leg.
Uh-huh.
That's the bad leg. Right here.
Uh-huh, and you went to the doctor and had it x-rayed, and what did he say?
He said it's a bad sprain.
Yeah, so
Luckily, no chipped bones, no broke bones, no nothing.
So the good news is it wasn't broken. The bad news is...
It's going to take forever to heal.
And in the meantime...
The boot.
You have to ice it, keep it up, relax, wear a boot if you are up and about.
I'm going to be booted.
So you basically have a delay in renovation right now.
At least for a day or two. 3, 4, 5. As long as I can stretch it out before you say it's time for you to go back to work.
Or just time for you to go.
Yeah, just go. Just get out. Go.
So how have I been doing as a nurse?
You've been doing excellent as a nurse.
Mm-hmm.
You've been taking care of me very well. But I think I'm starting to push the limits. I've noticed a couple snarls.
But you have been busy setting up drawings for all the cabinets we need to get, the boxes.
Uh-huh.
Because you were an old kitchen and bath guy, so you know how to order the appropriate measurements.
You don't have to say old.
Okay, you're a professional kitchen and bath remodeler.
Doesn't that sound much better?
Yeah. God. Apparently I've become a professional painter because I have now painted... Oh, there's some more down the hallway. So far, I think I have painted 88 sheets. That's going to be turning into shiplap. And there will be a video on that later on. So I'm keeping busy. You're drawing up all the cabinets. And we're going to proceed. But we're
ordering all the supplies and toilets and electrical connectors and
new lights and
fans and plumbing parts
and choking over the cost of wood and how much building supplies have gone up.
Well, that isn't too bad because the doctor gave me some good drugs. And when I start thinking about that, I just pop another pill.
Well, hurry up and get mended so we can get back to the renovation.
Get back to the renovations. Get back on the road.
That too. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.